Kamusta, buddies? Welcome to the 18th video of the Shinobi Showcase series, which is entitled How You Doing? Number 18, a Kamustahan series. In our Filipino language, kamusta means how are you in English. So like in my last video, I'm going to showcase the past special shinobi for us to see how are they doing today in attack mission after receiving kits or re-kits and when not buffed anymore if you'll deploy them right now. So today, we are going to showcase a very powerful shinobi, and it is none other than Sasuke Uchiha the Last. As we all know, buddies, we only have 2 days remaining before the TL Duo's banner ends. Because currently, as I was recording this video, it's January 14th. And I guess we have to say goodbye to these powerful units. So if you still have Shinos and you still have the courage to pull in their banner despite their low drop rates, then they are really a worth it shinobi, you know. Anyways, as you all know, I was also shafted in the TL Duo, and unfortunately, I failed to complete any of them full kits. Though, as you all know, I managed to get Naruto the Last LB without EX ult, while on my Sasuke Uchiha, here he is, I got his EX ult, but unfortunately, no LB. And even though there's no LB, we will still going to showcase it because we'll try to gauge how powerful is a Sasuke Uchiha the Last even without the LB. So this is the twist of this showcase because usually I'm showcasing here in How You Doing complete kits or at least with complete set of jutsus, namely the 4-star, the LB, and an EX ultimate. Here is my Sasuke Uchiha, as you can see, and here is the tools that I have with him, and here are his stats. As you can see, for this showcase, I built him with 140% seal resistance because he had a natural resistance against paralysis for 30 seconds. And just at least to save him against Sasuke Uchiha also. And here are the stats, as you can see, and the jutsu, of course. So I only have his EX ult at level 2. I managed to make it level 2 through the power of sucking points from the access cards that I am getting whenever I pulled recently, and then I just synthesize it with his other jutsu and then just continue to suck, you know, that process, no, to save more froggies. And here are the jutsus. As we all know, the last duo started a new trend, and that is a 4-star double strip jutsu. Before, we can only strip invincibility and status effect buffs of enemy with using LB. But now, even the 4-star can do that, and the TL Duo started it. This is what I am talking about. As you can see, here, they can decrease the enemy's invincibility by 5 seconds and the status effect by 12 seconds. So, they are like LB anyways, no? And for the band follow-up jutsu, I would like to use Naruto Light's Tailed Beast Rasen Shuriken because I would like to maximize the area of effect that Sasuke Uchiha's jutsu gives in each room, because as we all know, this follow-up jutsu leaves more ponds of area of effects, and actually I just really chose this because I still can't find what is the exact or perfect bond for Sasuke the Last. Well, since he don't have any speed buff, usually they just add a follow-up jutsu with the speed buff. But for the showcase of him as a support we are going to use this band? Well, of course, during the solo showcase, we're going to use Itachi's follow-up jutsu to give speed buff for Sasuke the Last. Okay, so let's go to the battlefield and let's see what this Sasuke Uchiha can do even though he doesn't have the LB and even though he's not boosted anymore.
立ちふさがるのなら仕方ない。寝ていろ、甘いの。死ね。逃がさん。寝ていろ、甘いの。死ね。逃がさん。型をつける。じっとしてよ。死ね。逃がさん。寝ていろ、甘いの。寝ていろ、甘いの。逃がさん。死ね。寝ていろ、甘いの。俺は死ね。逃がさん。愚か。俺以外甘いの。甘いの。逃がさん。甘いの。型をつける。逃がさん。寝ていろ、甘いの。寝ていろ、甘いの。逃がさん。あいつがいないなら里を守るのは俺しかいない。俺の邪魔をするんだ。スサノオ。くらえ。 にしてやる。あれをやるしかない。
ここだ。
するか。あれをやるしかない。するか。
ここだ。
型をつける。あれをやるしかない。仕掛けみよう。あれをやるしかない。楽にしてやる。あいつがいないなら里を守るのは俺しかいない。
Okay, so what do you think, buddies? Well, for me, of course, no one can argue. We all know that Sasuke Uchiha, the last Rikit, was a success. Of course, he's really meta right now, both in defense and in attack. Really OP. Although, as we all know, Naruto the last is better than him. But Skate is not a bit far from Naruto the last, even though there seemed to be a big advantage. Because as we have seen, even though my Sasuke Uchiha the last don't have an LB, he still cooks. My god, so OP. Even though he is a yellow unit, he inflicts massive amount of damage, and more than that, even in defense, he drains very fast the chakra of enemies because the effects of his jutsu, he doesn't decrease chakra greatly, but he decreased it hugely if you have the LB, as you can see here. But if you only have the 4-star, well, still great. And still great. And his jutsu are very fast, especially the LB. Very fast and all leaves a area of effect. And as I have mentioned a while ago, his 4-star can already strip invincibility and status effect of enemies. It's like little LB. And as you have seen on the battlefield, the buffs that he had, even though I don't have the LB, is still like the 2023 Shinobi kits have. So he's just like the normal Shinobi. And when given with LB and when maxed out, that is when he rise above in the ranks versus the 2023 Shinobi kits. My god. Actually, I am not expecting the results that I got in using him. Yes, of course, there's still defeat. It's still not sure that he will win, and it's a bit conditional sometimes because if there's instacasters or Gaara in the final room, it's really hard to gate crash, of course. But I discovered that if you have his EX ult at level 15, even without the LB, you can survive as long as you will spam it. At first, I judge his new EX ult. Because of the long animation, it might trigger the enemy to use EX ult. But upon more closer look, I observed that when the EX ult is cast, the big rock falling actually inflicts knockback upon the enemy. So they are somewhat outbalanced. and was unable to use any of their jutsu. That is why, in a way, it's not a problem even though he had longer animation. And as we all know, even though this one don't have damage nullification or revive cancel, it can still give you revive again effect. Though he gives area of effect in his ultimate, unlike with Naruto the Last. Allegedly, some people said that Naruto the Last leaves an area of effect after the ultimate is used. I think it's the starry effect, the explosion effect of when he and Hinata jumps. Though it's not, it doesn't last long compared to Sasuke Uchiha, which obviously had an area of effect. Unfortunately, as a support in a team, even though he could be a good support in your team because of the buffs he gave in your team, unfortunately, he had a bad AI, as I have observed. If you will look like that, he loves to walk, he loves to use his basic attacks, and unlike other shinobi, he's not continuously spamming his jutsu. He reminds me of the same Sasuke also, but it's versus Jigen. You know that shinobi could have been better as a support if he had a good AI. You know, because as you all know, I usually use him in attack mission as part of my team with Shisui, but unfortunately he's very disappointing because he loves to use his Bansho Tenin, his universal pull, rather than using his jutsus. Because as we all know, his basic attack is a universal pull, the power of the Rinnegan. But he's loyal to the jutsu he is using, because when he starts to use his jutsu, he follows the order that you give him. If you put the LB first, that is what he will use first, and then the second and the third. Even in defense, after trying this Sasuke the Last without LB in my fortress to see if he can still battle, well, he can't. But as I have observed, he also follows the jutsu order that you give him. On the other hand, that is the good side that he has despite having a bad AI. So far, those are the observations. And yes, even though you don't have the LB, I can say that Sasuke the Last is solid. But of course, if you manage to complete the kit, man, he's really OP. A must use, best in defense, and best in attack right now. So what are your thoughts, buddies? What do you think? Share it in the comment section. So that's all, buddies. Kita kits, mga katropa.